You've been lied to about Forex trading. Not by scammers, not by fake gurus, by well-meaning advice that sounds good but doesn't actually work. Today I'm busting 3 of the biggest myths in Forex trading. Myths that are keeping you stuck, frustrated, and losing money. Let's get into it. Myth number 1 is if I try hard enough, I'll eventually succeed. You've probably heard this 1,000 times. Work harder, grind more, watch the charts 24/7. Never give up sounds inspiring, right? Here's the problem. The Forex market doesn't care how hard you work. Think about it like this. If you practice basketball by shooting hoops the wrong way for 10 hours a day, you won't become a great player. You'll just get really good at doing it wrong. Forex is the same. You can stare at charts all day. You can take every setup you see. You can grind until you're exhausted. But if you don't have a real edge, a proven strategy that actually works, you're just losing money faster. The reality, Forex rewards skill and discipline, not effort. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to watch charts 24/7. You don't need to sacrifice your entire life. What you need is a tested strategy, proper risk management, the discipline to follow your rules, the patience to wait for your setups, quality over quantity, strategy over hustle. That's how you actually succeed in Forex. Myth number 2 is as long as I'm disciplined, I'm safe. Discipline is important, don't get me wrong, but here's the truth nobody tells you. You can follow your rules perfectly and still lose. Maybe you didn't backtest your strategy properly. Maybe you didn't practice enough on demo. Maybe a surprise news event crashed the market and stopped you out. You did everything right, you followed every rule, and you still lost. Is that failure? No, that's just part of trading. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt in a car. Does a seatbelt keep you 100% safe from all accidents? No. Does it improve your odds of staying safe? Absolutely. Discipline is your seatbelt in Forex. It improves your odds. It protects you from stupid mistakes. But it doesn't eliminate risk completely. The reality, discipline is necessary but not sufficient for success. You also need a strategy with a genuine edge, proper backtesting and forward testing, good risk management, understanding of market conditions. Discipline plus edge equals consistent results. Discipline alone, not enough. Myth number 3 is, my biggest enemy is my emotions. Everyone says this. Control your emotions. Don't let fear or greed take over. Trading is all about emotional control. And yes, emotions can hurt your trading. But here's what they don't tell you. Emotions aren't the root problem. They're a symptom. When do you feel the most stressed while trading? When you're losing money, right? And why are you losing money? Usually because you're risking too much per trade. Bad risk management. You're trading without a real edge, no strategy. You're taking setups that don't match your plan, lack of discipline. Simple example. Imagine you're trading with terrible risk management, risking 10% of your account per trade. Of course you're going to feel stressed, of course you're going to be emotional. Your emotions aren't the problem, your risk management is. The reality is, fix your foundation first, and your emotions will naturally calm down when you have a tested strategy with a real edge. Proper risk management, 1 to 2% per trade. Enough practice to trust your process, your emotions become way easier to manage. Does this mean emotions don't matter? No, emotional control is important, but it supports your edge. It doesn't create one. Fix your strategy, fix your risk management, then work on your emotions, not the other way around. Look, I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to give you the truth. Trading is hard. It requires skill, discipline, emotional control, risk management, and a real edge. But when you stop believing these myths and start focusing on what actually works, that's when you give yourself a real chance at success. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Forex content. This is Trading Magistrate, where trading becomes a studied skill. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.